In this recording in our series of face milling operations, we will continue with the technology of contour. Now, as far as the technology page is the exact same thing for all the different types of technologies. So to refer to this, please go to my recording that I did on the hatch. So I'm going to go directly into the contour page. The first option that we have on our contour page is actually how we handle the corners. As you can see right now with none, it just goes a simple tool pass from one, then goes down to the next. We also have the option of fillet. By fillet, you'll note that the corner actually rounds itself in the corner, bringing for a smoother tool pass. In addition, we have loop. Loop is actually where it'll get to the corner and then loop around to the next tool pass going down. And the reason for that is this assures for a clean corner, allowing for smaller overlaps in the tool. And we also have sharp. Sharp is similar to loops, except it also makes sure that the corners are clean, but it gives a shorter tool path with a sharp turn going to the next tool path. Now, it should be noted, and this is true for the entire program, you'll see that at the very top we have a question mark. In case you need ever help with anything inside the field and it's on the fly and you do not know exactly what it's talking about, you can always click on this help, and you'll note next to the mouse cursor there's a question mark, and click on the field that you have a question about. It'll take you directly to the help on that particular field. Now let's continue with our next option inside contour. We have the direction, whether you want to work climb or conventional. As default, we work climb. And then we have adjacent passes connection. The adjacent passes connection, either we have smooth, where, as you can see in the picture, it goes from one to the next in a sort of a loop in and a loop out, or we have linear, where it goes from one line to the next in a straight linear line. We have extension. How much do you want it to extend past the edge of the part? Let's leave it exactly the way it is right now. I'm just going to put in a fillet for the corner. I'll do save and calculate. And let's take a look at the simulation. As we take a look at the simulation, and let's take a look at the tool pass, and let me also get rid of the solid verify so you can see this a lot better. You'll see that the tool pass has a fillet at the end of it, and then moves in a direct line. And this continues on for the entire part. In my next recording on this series, I will talk about the technology option of one pass.